Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this best technology asset intelligence platform called Lansweeper. So here's a breakdown. Lansweeper is a technology asset intelligence platform that help IT teams automatically discover, inventory and manage every device and software across their network. So whether it's on premises, in the cloud or remote, it's scan endpoint, server, BMS, printer, router, and more to give you a single accurate source of truth for hardware and software assets. License usage and compliance with customizable dashboard, automated reporting, searchable access data. Lansweeper makes it easy to track what you own, value vulnerability, and plan upgrade without guessing. That said, Lansweeper deep discovery and reporting can feel overwhelming at first, especially for very small teams or simple setup, and some advanced data visualization require time to configure. So in my opinion, Lansweeper is one of the best technology assets intelligence solution for IT teams that need complete visibility and control over their infrastructure. But casual user or tiny environment might prefer lighter inventory tools than Lansweeper. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. You're welcome.